we get a late wrist hinge, then we tend to try to do sometimes overswing, but in your case, your swing got a little bit short, and when that happens, it's very easy to come over it in an attempt to try to come up with some power because your backswing was kind of short as it went back. And so then it comes back down a little bit steep, and there's where some of those mishits that can come. And of course, that's what sends the ball off to the right as well when we come over it, over the top. So what we want to do is work on seeing how we can get this to look more in an L position, and we start that with our grip. So I had you just let your left arm hang by your left side, and when you let your left arm just hang by your side, you'll notice that the thumb is curled in more towards the right side of the shaft, more at like 2 o'clock if you were looking on a clock, and that the heel pad would be right underneath here. And you'll notice here I can hold it with one finger if the heel pad is underneath here. And that allows me to hinge and unhinge my wrist much easier. And of course, that's what's going to allow that L position to happen much easier. You did that little test here when you were doing that, and that's the first way to find out if you have that heel pad on top. So very good. Get that heel pad on top. Make sure you see a couple of knuckles and that the V is pointing to the right. This is a little stronger grip, which will help you square up that club face a little bit better instead of leaving it wide open. So everybody has to find a way to have this club face come back to square or close it in order to not send the ball off to the right. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel because every week I'll be putting out a new video so that you can try them out on the golf course or the driving range. Also, if you want more information, check out my website at www.joeparkgolf.com where you can find all my contact information. Thanks for watching.